Hi, this is Master Ken. God is fair. Every one of us has 24 hours a day. God is fair. It depends on how you use your time. So this is my LinkedIn. And yesterday, I just completed this Power BI courses, data modeling with DAX. So yes, it's completed, but does that mean it's yours? Not yet, because just like you attended my training, or 1-day training, or 2-day trainings, it's just the beginning. What do you do after the training? So in that course itself, I learned, which I already know, but I learned something new. By watching the video, the tutorial video is not enough. It's never enough. You have to practice and practice again and again. Now in that course, it teaches the instructor teaches us how to count the number of products for each manufacturer based on the Contoso sales database. So, but it doesn't teach how to count the number of sales in that particular video. But does that stop you? Once you understand this, you have to explore yourself. So the number of products is in the products table and use the count rows. So it's counting the rows, the number of rows in the products. So what does that mean? Well, this guy over here, these are the same database table from the database. So let's count here. We'll just highlight them, and you can see that it's 1691. Now this is 1691 and this is 1690. So what is the difference? You tell me. And so I give you a hint, yeah? Starting here and down there. Okay, so now how about if I want to the number of sales by each manufacturer? Well, I can explore the sales table and do the same, and that is called number of sales using count rows also. So basically, count rows is really just count rows. Okay, counting the rows, self-explanatory, right? So it is a best practice to use count rows than count, as what is recommended by Microsoft. So 3 reasons why: it's more efficient, so it performs better. It doesn't consider blanks, so contains any columns. Okay, blanks. The intention form is clearer and self-describing. So that's what it means. Okay, you can study this more. So now that is what you can do after the training. So I want to show you that everyone have 24 hours, right? So it depends on how you do this. So take a piece of paper, draw a circle, put your image right in front, and these are the hours, and write your name right there. So you want to become a master in your expertise area. This is a 24 hours. How would you do it? So let me show you an example. How's that? Put your photo right in the middle and write your name right there. And start thinking about what you can do from the time you wake up and to the mid, and after that at the around the dinner time and what time you want to go sleep, and tell me what you want to do with it. So today, this morning, I wake up and I start thinking about to do revision or practice. This is what my coach, the author of the "You Are the Masterpiece" of the book "You Are the Masterpiece," taught me. He used the example of Bruce Lee to tell me how you can be a master in your area by practice, not just one time, not just one day, but consistently doing it. And you need to plan your time, a daily plan. And this could be one good example for you. So go and do research. What is the how's Bruce Lee work in the day? And thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.